Welcome, I'm Kevin Cardwell, and we're going to teach you how to use Wireshark to do network protocol analysis and use Wireshark to hack like a pro. I have more than 25 years as a professional security tester, and Wireshark, or network protocol analysis, is a foundation. It's a foundation of IT security. So we're going to have you download the tool from wireshark.org. Once you download it, we're going to have you install it. Once you've installed it, we're going to take static packet capture files to learn the user interface and the process of doing network protocol analysis. Once you've enhanced your skills and got familiar with the user interface, we're going to go into live capture. And a live capture, you're going to apply this process and methodology against the same types of network traffic that you've experienced in the static capture files, but these will live real time of what's taking place on your network. Then we're going to give you the process and methodology and challenge you to take static packet capture files and determine if an intrusion or an attack has taken place. Again, this skill is a foundation for IT security, and especially anybody who wants to be an intrusion analyst, professional security tester, ethical hacker, or any one of those. You can reach me at computerguru63@gmail.com. Let's get started and learn Wireshark to hack like a pro.